Greatest misconception number 3. Buddha was fat and he smiled a lot. This is a common misconception among Westerners who are unfamiliar with Buddhism. Their misconceived image of a fat Buddha who laughed a lot is actually a completely different person named Budai. He is sometimes called the Laughing Buddha or the Fat Buddha, but he's not the Supreme Buddha, which is another man whose name is Siddhartha Gautama. Siddhartha was born in 563 BCE. He was a prince from what is today Nepal, but back then it was all India. According to most historical accounts, he had very impressive physical characteristics, although no one really knows what he looked like, as artwork of him was not created until the 1st century CE. But historical texts describe him as having tan skin and curly black hair. By the way, did you know that the 3 tallest statues in the world are all statues of Buddha? The Ushiku Daibatsu, located in Japan, stands at 110 meters. The Laikun Set Kayar in Myanmar is 116 meters, and the Spring Temple Buddha in China stands at a massive 128 meters tall. The Statue of Liberty, which is the tallest statue in the United States, stands at a pathetic 46 meters in comparison. Some of the most beautiful statues ever created were all statues of Buddha, including the reclining statue of Buddha in Thailand. Perhaps you remember seeing it in the video game series Street Fighter. Budai was a Chinese monk who lived in the later Liang dynasty about 907 CE. He is primarily a folklore character who is depicted as laughing and having a good time usually. Belief holds that rubbing his belly brings wealth, good luck, and prosperity. It should also be pointed out that neither figure is worshipped as a deity in Buddhism. In fact, the word Buddha is a title that refers to a person who has attained enlightenment, and it is said that several people have been given the title. However, the title of Supreme Buddha is and always will be Siddhartha. So now you know better, and that was Enigma Hood's Greatest Misconceptions. If you have any ideas for future misconceptions, please leave a comment or send me a PM.